Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is a new year. It is 2023. I'm really happy to see y'all back. I know it's been a little bit of a drought on my channel, but I'm really trying to bounce back this year. So I hope that with my consistency, y'all continue to show up. I went ahead and filmed a really dramatic look for y'all just to kind of kick off the new year. So I really hope y'all like it. And don't forget to subscribe. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button at the bottom. Make sure you like this video because I want to know what you're doing for 2023. I want to know your goals. I want to know your visions. I want to know everything that's going on with you. Make sure you subscribe down below. And then if you want to check out this video, just continue watching. All right, y'all. My skin is not doing very well. I have a huge zit right here. Like, wow. That's really, ooh. That's a third eye. Look at my third eye. I did my website this week. And so with me just really hyper focused, whenever I'm really stressed, my skin gets worse. So still do our face. And can you turn that light off? No, the other one. Yes, thank you. I just did a little bit of editing to the video, like as you can see, like as a whole. I went in and I kind of like tweaked some of the features of my phone. I also turned the light off. I turned my ring light up. And then I blurred out the background. So I hope that kind of helped. Everything looks really good to me, to my face. I don't know how it looks to y'all. So my mirror looks lit, so I hope that I look to y'all how I look to myself in this mirror. Period, accurate, up. Yeah, this is definitely the live. Let's do her right there. Actually, let's do a little bit like right. I'm really trying to get this right for y'all if y'all haven't noticed. Skin is done. So now I'm gonna show y'all the inspo of the look that I'm about to do. This is the look I'm gonna do. She real cute. So let's do that. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end up using this right here, but I think I might use a mixture of this and this one. We're gonna do what we feel like is best for me because I really can't see the top of her eye. And so while I'm contouring my eye, mention to you guys, I am currently trying to build my YouTube channel while I recently just relaunched my website for my online hair store. We did a little bit of rebranding for my hair salon. We're starting 2023 very strong. You guys should let me know in the comments, like, what exactly are you doing in 2023? Like, how are you coming? What is something new that you are trying or you are getting into? I would absolutely love to hear it. What I want you guys to do is comment your 2023 goals for me. Love to, you know, be inspired. One thing that I did years ago, how Facebook kind of like has you looking back on all of your Facebook posts. So like 6 years ago today, well, not today because it's the 6th of January. 6 years ago today, okay, no, did my first Daniel fast, and that was for 2 weeks. That was fruits and vegetables. So whatever it is that you're into, what one of your goals is for 2023. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, I think I already did this wrong. Juvia's Place palette, dramatic as possible, We're just blending out this. And let's talk about the fact that this pimple looks like, oh my God. Nobody even asked you. Nobody invited you. Like, no one likes you. Like, you're not cool. Like, we're not friends. Like, I don't even understand. That's crazy to me. So, wow. Okay, so now that we have this black with whatever. Why did you think that wasn't gonna happen? Why did you think? And when I say you, I mean me. Freaking A. Makeup remover and a Q-tip. And I'm just carving out my crease. Who's giving my eyeshadow's already done and it's not even done. Ooh. She's cute, honey. Actually should have just had a system and just put the purple on first and then put the blue after, so I got the pigment, then I got the brightness. Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you, Martha, baby, but the G train has left the station. So I talk in song, but I also talk in movie. Let's talk about it. If you know a movie that's from, comment below. Okay, so cool. So we got the blue, right? She looking like, okay, okay. She looking like a love. She looking like a love. Okay. Don't look at that. I look like somebody was beating me up. You think I'm gonna let beat me up? He do. On Paru. He be bitches up for me. You never beat me up. That's why I picked this picture, because it's giving heavy, heavy, talk, talk, talk. You got so heavy, baby, yeah, yeah. Heavy, heavy. You got so heavy, baby. I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. Oof. Like, I'm trying to do it on camera for y'all, but I don't think that's what it's giving. Do y'all see that? You can't? That's too bad. If you can see it, love that for you. Really, really, really deep wing. This eyeliner is still wet. We're literally just gonna push her up. This whole thing, we want it to be like that, right? Yes, that's what we want. I really don't use white liner like that because I just feel like it's so obnoxious. See, for this look, we're just gonna use white. Starts here, and then all of this in the middle is black, and then it ends white again. All right, cool. So we got the white down. Ugliest thing is when white and black liner mix, it creates like this dull, ugly blue color. I'm super, super scared about this because I just feel like I'm not really sure what's about to happen. Okay, okay, okay. It's giving the pyramids. It's giving Pharaoh. It's giving Hebrew. It's giving we your dream girls, boy. Liner right there. Let's talk about it. Cover the liquid liner with shadow so I can blend it all out. Like, I'm really trying to get up in here so you guys can like see. Wow. Wow. It's giving the lady on Pinterest. That's what it's giving right now. I'm about to be right back and I'm finna show y'all my finished look. Just filmed my whole YouTube closing and I forgot to put my lashes on. Like, I did this eye and I did this eye earlier with you guys. We're liking her. It's giving very Farrah Fawcett and I ain't mad at it. Let's talk about it. It's a look. And I'm just like, you know, 2023 really might not be my year. The whole time I don't even have my lashes on. And that's why the devil is a liar, because the devil really be having you feel like you're not that girl. And all you have to do is put your lashes on and you're that girl. Whole time she's cute. Whole time it's a look. Let's talk about it. Don't forget to put your lashes on before you decide to say bye to the people. Because don't do that. Don't do that. I think I'm gonna make this a thing to just kind of like pick something off Pinterest and try to like execute it the best way that I would, or put my little flavor to it, my little style, my little zazazz, my little whatnot, my little let's talk about it, you know, put my little to it. Piggybacking, we like that one. We love a good piggyback. I'm a Christian, y'all, for real. I don't even know how to be acting like this. Cause I'm a Christian. I don't even know why I act like that. That's wild to me. I'm a believer. You know? So piggybacking off of what I was saying earlier, I wanted you guys to drop in the comments one goal that you have for 2023. Whether it be financial, whether it be a new job, whether it be a new hobby, whether it be a new place to stay, moving to a new state. I want to hear it. I want to know. I want to be inspired. I want to be checked, okay? Like, check me, boo. Okay, who gonna check me, boo? Y'all gonna check me. So let me know, like, what I could be putting on my list for 2023. My goal for 2023 is to literally get this money, because we need the YouTube money, we need the Instagram money, we need the Facebook money, we need the TikTok money, we need the salon money, we need all of it. We need the travel money, we need the booking money, we need the makeup money, we need the hair money, we need all that money. All right, all of it. And the second thing I want y'all to do is I want you to tell me your word for 2023. So my word for this year, this entire year, is authority. We are literally claiming all the authority in the name of the Lord. We are going into this year so strong, so annoyingly in love with Jesus. We are knowing our power. We're growing and getting stronger. So let me know how you're walking into 2023 and how you're showing up for yourself and everybody around you. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed this look because she's giving slice. What? I'm a ninja. I'm a ninja. Y'all didn't even know I was a ninja. I'm a whole ninja out here. Slice, go, slice, cut, slice, cut, slice the niggas up. What? Let me see my eyeliner. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. I will see y'all in my next video. Okay, bye. Bye. Bye.